What up, guys? How's it going? What's up, Chase? No, we're not going to have a long hour stream today. It's going to be very short, actually, because I have to take care of my kid. She has a doctor's appointment. Sorry, guys, just messaging people. Hey, what's up, Amin? My hat? It's there, dude. You're just lying to me, bro. Scared me for a second. I wish the best for the appointment. Oh, it'll be fine. I hope so, at least. Man, I am getting a lot of messages. Everybody wants to say, hey. No, it's just Google. Good, did you know? Alright, guys, today we're going to be working on the prowl system a little bit more. I didn't get much time to work on it yesterday. Primarily due to the fact that we're level testing some things. Turns out we're going to have to change a couple of things in regard to the level generation. How does Google mean to you? Chase Lee always looking chill, dog. But we need to figure out a couple of things. Let's go into Trello. Alright, let's go into Trello. So we need to fix some more input stuff, guys. We already do this. So my primary concerns at the moment is one, we need to have some type of entrance. Hold bar, like a hold progress bar. It's just there's a very weird feeling that you get when you hold down the button and nothing happens until it happens, right? Like, from the time I hold down the bar and I enter into the prowl stance, there's just a really weird feeling, like you're unsure. There's an unsure feeling. So I kind of want to mitigate that with a loading bar. Oh, you asked for money and they told you no? Also, when we enter into running into pick up objects momentarily moves Judah out of the prowl stance. How you doing, by the way, Amin? And nothing much, man. Just chilling. Trying to work on this a little bit today. I got a lot of stuff that I gotta do. On top of this, you know, of course it all happens right when the new Final Fantasy comes out. So we can't double jump unless we double jump from a... And this is relatively interesting thing. You look sleepy. I am sleepy, dude. I'm tired. It's called the game dev life. The game dev life. Yeah, I am always sleepy. I want to take a nap 24/7. That's what happens when you're working hard, dude. I could be working harder, though. Get no sleep, absolutely. Like I'm telling you, bro, I feel like other people just have that benefit of not having a family and they can just work on stuff. Anybody else who, I don't know, can make all these videos while having a family? What are they doing? All right, so we got to look into the jump. Why are we not allowed? We're not entering into the we don't care about this. We're not entering in jump. We'll just get to it through here. So for some strange reason, we are not going into a regular jump. Not a UE log, a text. Boom, bam, boom. Actually, we just say this dot jump count. Was this a D instead? Yeah. We are watching a guy called Rowley. Yes, you are. By the way, guys, welcome to the stream. Sorry we didn't have the introduction. I'm a little bit late to the stream. Just kind of waking up and filling things out. See? So, when we go into a jump, right? It's like automatically setting itself to 1. Right? Or at least that's what it looks like from here. The current jump count is 0, then we go into 1. In here we go from 1, and we're not doing 2. Equals 1. However, in here, I don't really have a check. So we're just saying if 1. We're not saying greater than 2, or we're not making any of these other changes. And honestly, I don't think we need this here. I feel like we fixed that, right? With this. Did you check out the worm I sent? No, I never got a chance to, my friend. I'm sorry. I've been really busy. I had a meeting with a very, very cool, down-to-the-earth game designer. I won't mention who it is. But yeah, I've been extremely busy. So it's constantly, I get the jump for when I trigger and when I release. So that's triggering it. The release is initially triggering it. So what I need to do is go into the input and remove the release functionality of the jump. You know what it is? It's the prowl stance. It's being triggered on the hold and the release. So what I could try to do is delete this, and then it's triggering twice, right? And that fixes it. Sweet. So that was the issue. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. My mentor was telling me that I need to start keeping a daily journal of the things that I go through and the things that I learn. Input system. Where a stance. This was due to the fact that I had 2 triggers on it. I thought that released was not considered a trigger, but it indeed was. To fix the issue, I merely removed the released trigger from the prowl stance, and now everything works. Also, I had another issue where my jump was not working unless I used pressed or released, and that's because in the code I had set the bind event for tap or for jump to started instead of trigger. Cool. Chase, my brother, tell me, what are we fighting for? Release equals for holding. Tap equals for tapping. No, so see how things are working? Let me just go to my input system. Sorry. Input sub, or we can just go to beginning. Begin play. Oh no. Where am I? Let me show you what I am talking about, my friend. So when I'm binding these actions, right? If I have this as started, it's not going to trigger correctly. And that's because the way I'm entering the trigger is completely different on from started and triggered. So if you look at like my prowl stance, you're entering them through the same tap or like touch information. And that's easily equivocal to the fact that I'm using space to jump and space to enter into a prowl stance. The difference is that if you tap, you'll jump, and if you hold, you'll enter the prowl stance. So if I were to go hold and release, this would trigger twice instead of once. This already triggers twice. Once on hold and already when it's canceled or completed. See what I'm saying here? So I believe there is a canceled or completed. There's triggered. Yeah, so these are all trigger functions. If I had this on release, it would trigger this as well and not be considered a complete as like an event that's been completed. It would consider it that, but it would run it twice because I'm setting the event for it to run twice on hold and release. What's up? What's good, Christ bros? Nothing much, just chilling. Just chilling like Krillin, filling out the space, giving God plenty of opportunities to show us his mercy and grace. There you go, guys. The rhyme for the day. Drop a like and a sub to the channel. But yeah, now as you can see, obviously, it works perfectly. Bang. Right? We can now double jump from both the regular stance and the prowl stance. And if you look down at the bottom here, let me go ahead and just give you guys this little output here, if I can do that. It won't let me do it. It won't let me do it, Johnny. Output log. Boom. Let me bring this over. So you'll see that when I jump, why isn't it showing? This is the message log, that's why. I'm so dumb. Well, we learn something new every day. Let me go ahead and scooch this over a little bit so you can actually see what I'm saying. So when I jump, you'll see how it goes from 0, right? It goes 0, 1, 0, 1. And now when I hold, it does the same. Beforehand, since it was triggering twice, I would end up logging one extra jump and not jumping. I hate the BPs. Yeah, tell me about it, dude. Chase these old blueprints. Looks in the toilet after he takes a dump. Blueprints. I wake up extra early every morning just to hate on the BPs. Hey, man. That's your prerogative. You need to have a conversation with Chase because I think he would have something to say about that. He's an advocate for BPs, and that is completely fine, although I joke about it with him. But yeah, everything's working great now. I might make him a little bit faster. We'll find out. Although I think that would take away a little bit from the prowl stance. Right? But we can go ahead and get rid of this UE log. In the jump function. Bam, 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 bam. But I can sense positive energy in you. You probably got so much love for the BPs that it offsets my hate of the BPs. True. BPs and few others made my hull complete. I think the speed is fine, to be honest. Yeah, thank you. I think we'll have to change the speed a little bit in the future for Judah. And then make his prowl stance faster. Right? But the whole idea is that this is primarily a charge attack. And I'll discuss this more in depth in the devlog, but essentially when you go into a charge mode, any enemy in the vicinity is going to be the closest is going to get like a UI lock-on symbol to it, and then when you release, if you're by an enemy, you'll launch towards them, you'll hit them, knock them out, fly in the air, but that's also dependent on the enemy. Some enemies are going to have more health than others and are going to be a lot harder to take down. It's never too late in development to work on, dude. It's never ever too late. That's all I work on nowadays is the freaking character controller. I still have to get the swipe attacks in, but we're gonna have to try that via. And also you're gonna see my camera completely go off grid. I'm gonna glitch. By the way, guys, I just want you to know, you see this number here? We're trying to get to 500 as fast as possible. So share this with your friends, share it with your family, right? Click that sub button. Also, I'm going to be creating a Patreon soon. If you're in the Discord, give me some suggestions of some things that you might find beneficial to you if you were to, give me support in that sense. Some things I'm thinking of already are like, special privileges to like maybe a Discord call, like weekly. I join in Discord, and have like a private devlog stream there. Kotagi. I love how positive Chase Lee is today. How you doing, by the way, Chase Lee? I know it's late out there where you're at. Are you feeling a little tired, my friend? By the way, thank you guys to all the amazing supporters out there who stay up late watching these streams, hanging out. You are an absolute gentleman, a gentlewoman, and a complete utter boss. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for the support. Hey, I got it right. I got it right, dude. Look at where I caught the camera, bros. That is absolutely amazing. That's perfect. I can't fix it now. I just hope you guys know that. Ooh, this isn't working on my phone. That's interesting. We're having the issue again. So the hold and release is working for the phone currently at the moment. Also on the phone, it's almost instantaneous that you go into the jump. However, we're not getting the tap features that we were getting originally. Leave it. It's I know, right? I can't. Just look at how dumb I look, though. I'm just like, I'm pointing at you, dude. Trying to speak to your heart and your soul and let you know that Jesus considers you his bro. Oh. Oh. That's a good one. That's a great picture. What else do you guys agree? I mean, I think it's pretty sweet. That's just me drinking water, bros. Bros. I'm gonna try running this again, because this just feels weird. Should make another in OBS and mirror it to the other corner of the screen. Oh, dude, huh? Just snapshot the picture. I do point at the camera a lot, though. This must be like messing up in some sense. This was working fine the other day, now it's not working. Interesting. I originally fixed this issue. Did I change this to start it again? If I did, I'll be so mad. No, trigger completed, trigger completed. All right, let's run it again, boys. Let's see what happens. No, Buenos, it's nothing wrong with it, man. It's just me pointing at you guys forever. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. I kind of love and like it. Now everybody will always feel like I'm talking specifically to them. By the way, God loves you. That's right, you. The one I'm pointing at. The one I'm pointing at right now. God loves you. Jesus loves you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. How dare you point at me like that? Chase Lee, when I'm pointing at you, I'm telling you, you need to flush the toilet more, dude. Put the seat down, bro. He's moving so fast, we can't see him move at all. Dude, Kotagi gets it. You at? Yeah! Log player, what does this even mean? Critical error. Array index. Call stack, call stack, call stack. I wonder what this could be. I've never ran into this error. Log play level. I feel like this could potentially be the reason why this is happening. I wouldn't know completely, but the inputs that I were logging, now my jump isn't being seen at all. So I do have to do hold and release, huh? Is that the issue at hand? Let's take a look at the PROW system really quick and change this to hold and release. Maybe Chase is right and I was wrong. Agreed, Buenos. 9 equals 23 is math, or is it p-pair? What is p-pair? All I'm saying is if you use BPs, it would work. Where has Rhea been? All right, guys. Rhea has family things that she's got going on right now. Okay. She's got a... You know, honestly, I'm super excited for her, but she's got a baba on the way, okay? Kotagi, you're right on the mark with that one, my friend. Oh man, it would look like a conspiracy theory whiteboard, dude. I love that. I absolutely love that, man. That's some solid humor right there, honestly. Yeah, we're still having issues, except now it's not even working. So what I'm gonna do is go back to when I had this as hold and released. Not pressed, darn it. Not pressed. Okay. Okay. We're gonna try to run this. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna get rid of everything else and then rebuild the project, clean it, yada yada. We are getting like a log every time we run this. Failed to load HDA. That's fine. That's all. Unreal and Houdini. Yeah, can I get some more dance emojis in chat, please? Yeah. I like how Chase is the only one giving me dance emojis. Thank you, Chase. Yeah, we're still having issues. Yeah, there's some weird issues going on with the build process. So, I'm going to, I think maybe the primary issue. Let me try playing this. Hold up, guys. Let's go and delete this. All right. Yeah, I mean, that works fine. It works fine here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, everything's saved. I'm going to close the project. We are going to clean the project. We are going to rerun it after that. Dude, why is Chase Lee the only one doing dance emojis, guys? What's going on here? I'm starting to get my feelings a little hurt. I do the jitterbug. Is that the jitterbug, Chase? Because I'm the best. Are you the best around? Is no one ever going to bring you down? It always does this ... so I don't know if it completely finished. I am king, hear me poop. Green peppers. Where's Nameless at, guys? Someone get Nameless in here. Someone get Nameless in here, guys. Someone get Game Maker, aka Nameless, in the chat. Oh, he's sleeping? True. Very true. He is sleeping. As I pointed all of you infinitely and forever. Hey, by the way, thank you so much for the subscription, bro. Thank you, bro. Dude. You're the Bromeister Masterflex. We're gonna have to fix this enum problem we're having here eventually. Beanas. Binas? What is Binas? Binas. Binas. You know what? I don't like the way that word sounds. I'm not going to specifically say why, but I think any bright individual in here would understand.
Create a custom store.
Create a custom thing and make your life so much better with the customization at your manifold. I don't even know if that's the right word, but I'm going to say it anyways.
Do you guys want me to fix the camera now? You want me to fix the camera now? I think people are going to come in here like, dude, what's going on? Why is this guy just staring at me? Pointing at me? Nike shoes. I got my Nike shoes as I'm looking for Blue's Clues. Yo, you remember Blue's Clues? Alright guys, I fixed it, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. Alright, I'm gonna fix it. I swear. I'm gonna fix it right now. We're gonna create an image. Aw, dude, I gotta save the... Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! There you guys go. This is me. This is me. I think I gotta like move this down a little bit. Hold up. I'll be right back, guys. Hungry. Dude, does my hat make you that hungry? Does it make you that hungry, bro? Huh, bro? You that hungry, dude? Oh. All right, let's try building this out to let's try building this out again. Put the good one on the other. Dude, then we're going to just have too much space getting taken up. All right? I mean, just be happy. You, Chase, I'm looking at you. Be happy with what you have. You, Buenos. Stop it. You, Kotagi. You remind me of Mr. Miyagi. Let's go. How about that? That's what you guys get. That is what you're gonna see the entirety, the entirety of this game dev stream. You're just gonna see this. Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome to the stream. We're gonna be doing some very interesting things. Hey, yo, thank you so much, Chase Lee, for the subscription. We appreciate you. Chase Lee. Who else but Chase Lee to crash the party? Wow, now my now Judah and Friends isn't even loading. I'm gonna uninstall. and redo it all. That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I think this is the most viewers I've had in what, forever? So yeah, this has got to be the new thing, right? You look at that double chin, guys. Look at my hair. Look at the slouch, dude. I want you to memorize it all. Engrave it into the skulls of your mind. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm looking at you, baby. It's you who drives me crazy. Yeah. Yeah, they call me the songbird of my generation. I've seen much worse chins, dude. You know why I got the double chin, bro? It's for the double grin. You know, when you like tilt your head and smile at someone. Bro, why is this not working on the phone? There's like some weird intricacy that this is a big issue though. What about this one? What about this one, guys? This one or this one? I don't know what's going on, dudes. But I'm getting kind of mad, mates. Right now it's 3-0 to the full screen face cam. Sounds good, guys. You can just listen to my beautiful voice as we proceed. As we proceed with fixing the game. So this seems to be an issue. I had that. Let's see what else. Reset jump values. That's it. That is actually literally it. That is all I had that is different. Very beautiful. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Who knew the whole time, man? Like, this is how I'd make it. Just this one singular picture. Like Skip. Ugh. All right, guys. We're going to switch back. We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it, dudes. We're going to fix it, bros. I swear. I fixed it. Yeah, I'm a little annoyed right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is working great, man. He fixed it. Dude, I always have it. What do you mean fixed? It's still here, dude. I could switch anytime I want. So you stop it. Yeah, you, the one I'm pointing at, stop it. I'm annoyed at the game. It's not working. Hey, it's Shouty. She can hear me. Hello, Shouty. Shouty and I meant... I can't sing that song. I remember she don't like that. She doesn't like that, guys. By the way, Shouty, we're over here on YouTube if you want to come hang out. And by... another great picture. Another great picture. Jesus. I just don't think it's never gonna fix itself, guys. I give up. I'm done with the project. I'm over it. He's putting his volume to 0 now. He's putting his volume to 0 now. He's over it, chat. Yeah, works great here. Works great everywhere. Lazy Finno. Hello, Lazy Finno. I know you guys can hear me, but can you see me over there on Twitch? Chinese malware virus detected. Bling. Bzzz. Can I do it as a screen capture? I wish. I think the primary issue is just Twitch is being a Twitch. Twitch is being a Twitch. Here, I'm going to try to restart it right now on Twitch. I'm going to restart it on Twitch. And see if that helps. Oh. Let's see if that helped, guys. Yeah, man, honestly, I kind of blame Twitch. I blame Twitch, low-key. Because this should be working completely fine. I think they're just haters, dude. It's alright, though. Like, I have 42 hours streamed on here. Yet, for some strange reason, we're not streaming at all. We're offline, but we're not offline. Right? Like if I go, where the hell or heck is it? Sorry for that. Let's go to the channel. Live, but I'm not live. Tell me why that's happening. Specifically to me. Out of everyone on the planet. I guarantee you no one's stuff is doing this stuff. Why is that happening to me, Twitch? Pieces of crap. You blame Nvidia? Yeah, so do I. Yeah, come over here to us. To YouTube. It's where the real community is. I'm lip reading. Hey, lip reading. Lip reading, he says. Yeah, I mean, everything works fine. Right? And then when I load it to my phone, it doesn't work at all. So... Let's try this in a standalone. Hey, Vivo Unstoppable. Welcome to the stream and to the channel. How are you doing today? Yeah, I mean, this works. That works. Vivo Pinata, if you've seen the movie or if you've played the game. Why aren't you working? New editor window. Pi. We're gonna try building it out again, which means, whereas, yeah, guys, if I was you, I would just come over to the YouTube side of things. We're hanging out over here. Twitch is full of haters. I mainly do it for the VODs. I've never had this issue with my entire life until I publicly claimed Christianity. Ah, the face cam. Put it back. Oh, sorry. Boom. There you go. I can't even jump now. This is upsetting. They plotting against us. Yeah, they is. If it makes you feel better, I'm the only dude who consistently loses subs whenever I post. Really? On what? On YouTube? Let's remedy that right now. Let's remedy that right now, boys. Let's remedy that right now. Go check him out. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, hey, check it out. Chase Lee, dude. By the way, Raj Vinath, we appreciate you, my friend. Chase Lee says he used to have 80 million. Dude, Mr. Beast had nothing on you, bro. He had nothing on you and your latent great skills. This is getting annoying. Well, we fixed the tap triggers for it, so it's got to be the prowl. Let's go ahead and unintroduce the prowl really quick to see if that is the current issue at hand. The prowl. Wow. Actually, you know, there could be something going on in the default context. Maybe I have something. Yeah, I'm going to turn off all of the other stuff and get rid of this. Right? We still have tap. Let's see if it works. He's your 69th sub. What a man. Alright, we're switching it. We're switching the stuff to the stuff, dudes.
Are you ready to be a pioneer of the future?
Let's just switch it to the good song. Right? He's subbed to me 3 times? Dude, you're most definitely my most dedicated fan. I've subscribed to my own channel. We've all been there, brother. It's all right. We all been there. Yes, it has failed to open descriptor file. We already talked about this. Oh, now you guys are fighting whoever's king. Whoever's king. I feel it. It's a cook-off, boys. Who makes the best meal? That's true. Christ of Nazareth. I think the next thing I'm going to have to try doing is like turning on and off my phone. Man, it's definitely a Friday. Everything's going wrong, dude. I hate writing code so much that I'll do something twice as confusing. Ooh. But my main issue right now is that I can jump and do all the things in here. Right? I got rid of, obviously, the prowl stance. We can re-include it. That's no problem. But there's issues when it comes to writing this stuff on my phone. I thought uninstalling and reinstalling would help. Wow, that's interesting, dude. That this doesn't work randomly now. I'm just going to turn off Twitch. This is the last state that it worked in. All right, I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to get rid of this. Maybe I do need to do started for hold. How big is the banana of the monkey? Well, it depends on how many bananas he's got. Juanches. By the way, welcome to the stream, man. Hey, it's Safe and Netro X25. Welcome to the stream, Netro, Safe, and Juanches. If you're wondering why my camera doesn't work, it's because I'm currently trying something. Now he never leaves when we set that to started. You're staring at the wall. Well, yeah, of course, right? It's because I'm building my game a lot, and I don't feel like fixing this every time I rebuild it. It's actually kind of annoying. I could leave you guys like this, though, if you want. Is that better? You! Yes, you! We want you to join the Christian community. Make sure to click the like and subscribe button. Point at me. Point at me. All right, I'm going to try one more thing, guys. I'm going to try to completely reopen and hopefully that fixes whatever's going on. Hopefully this fixes everything. We're going to reload the project. We're going to switch it to the development build. World's best stream. Thank you. Thank you. We know everyone wants to deny it. It's all right, though. It's all right. You want to deny it? Yeah, that's right. You want to deny it. You're just mad because I'm a Christian. And you don't want to listen. So stop fronting and click that subscribe button. What's wrong, sweetie? I'll go get you one in a bit, okay? It's only 10:37. I'll get you one for lunch, all right? Okay? All right. All right, so we're in development mode. Let's go ahead and debug. Man, I just like that image. This one? I don't know why. It's probably because I look really dumb in it. Maybe we turn it into an emoji for the channel. But we have to hit 500 to get emojis, man. So y'all better start sharing this around. Spread it around with your friends, your family. That weird kid down the street. Share it with him. We're building the selected project. Yeah, there's a CLC, writer link, writer logging. Test enemy, debug game. I'm just trying to see what it is. That could be... Gosh, man, this kid downstairs is loud. All right, let's try another map. Let's play this really quick, make sure that we have everything. Okay, let's try building it, right? We're going to freeze here, okay? That's right, I'm looking at you. We're gonna freeze, but it's okay. Can you make the enemy dance if Judah is defeated? I can make him, yeah, I could probably make him dance. But if Judah never gets defeated, man, he just gets hungry and he falls asleep. Can you make Judah dance? Oh, I already read that. I can make him do the shuffle, yeah. But we are going to freeze here in a second, guys. We are going to freeze. I'm hoping that we can get this fixed, because I think it's something... I don't think it's an issue with the game. I'll have to get the Rococo suit for the dance. I don't know if I can animate that by hand. I'm not that good. Buenos, hungry. Dude, go make a breakfast burrito. Go get the bacon, chop the bacon up, cook the bacon, throw it on the thing, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Had to take a call. Hey, yo, what's good? Nothing much, man. Chilling. Running into a lot of building errors where things just aren't working for some strange reason. I'm going to try turning off my phone and turning it back on. Yeah, it is frozen because every time I build, it freezes. And I've built the game like several times right now. So I'm like getting tired of refreshing, restarting, and doing this. By the way, welcome to the stream, Narhoys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did the wall hypnotize? It's a nice looking wall, man. Okay, it's a nice looking wall. What can I say? It's crazy. Now it's not working at all. And I wonder why that is. We have hold. The only thing we had different with this was we had a release. Right? Nerhoy says, I changed my mind. I'll start with Python, then switch to C++. Well, that's sick. Why go from Python to C++ though? You're about to see hold the plus plus. Why? How is this? That's weird. There's a lot of weird things going on with my game right now. One, we can disconnect these because we're not using them. We'll have to fix the vaulting system at a later road. Stretch template. Oh yeah, the stretch curve that we try to make. Who is that missing on? It's missing on no one. See if it's, yeah, it's not missing on him either. It's interesting. It works fine here. It works perfectly fine. Oh my gosh, this is making me very angry. I keep changing these to get actor, and it gotta save it. Let's fix that. Let's compile that. Let's save. JK, I'm going to go do Godot and then Godot, then Unity. Then Unity. Unity more like separation. Okay. Let's see if we're working on Twitch now. Let's see if it's fixed on Twitch. Guaranteed it's not. Yeah. You can hear me, you can't see my video. I'm gonna have to contact Restream and ask them what's going on. You know what? I don't even care anymore. See, somebody agrees. Yeah, Godot is easy. Godot. Add interp float. I don't even know at which point this is occurring. Let's go to the I mean, that works. You know, all this stuff is just really holding me back. All this input stuff. It's really annoying, quite actually. We had it working fine, and then all of a sudden it stopped working. Like my touches aren't registering. What did I do? Where is everyone from? I'm from America. America. I'm trying to figure out what it could be. Thing's gonna freeze again. You're with 1 quadrillion? Nice. Nice. What is this warning? Fail to load object. Houdini. Okay, that's fine. Zimbabwe currency, dude. The 0.002 currency. Na, na, na. Na, na. See what happens once this runs. Running. Wow, I'm still... So it looks like started help. What is this? Is this hold? This is just hold. I kind of want this to be triggered. I have $1,000 saved, dude. That's $1,000 to go to a. I don't know what's something you would like to buy. It works once, and then it doesn't work after that. And then if I jump, it's always like this. And now my phone is taking a dump. And now we're jumping instead of... It's because instead of being triggered, you know, it was working fine, and now it doesn't want to work. Completed, ongoing, none, started, triggered. Chase Lee's back and in action. Would you go get some food, Chase? We're gonna build again. I swear, if I build one more time, I'm gonna lose my mind. Dude, but you don't get it. You're chasing Chase Lee. But then when you get to Chase Lee, you find out it's Bruce Lee, dude, and you get beat up, bro. That's the whole point of his name. No, I bought some stuff. It's in your fridge. What'd you get me? It didn't work. Works fine on here, though. Works absolutely fine. Isn't it great how it works completely fine here, but on the phone it doesn't for some weird reason? Like, it was working excellently this morning, and now it doesn't work at all. This has to be triggered or it just won't work. So what did I do today that made this go? That's the only thing I did that's made it break. It's the only thing I've done that's made it break. Everything works fine here, but not on the phone. It worked fine yesterday, but not today. You're American, right? Yeah, I am American. Let's just fix some little stuff right now. I'm getting kind of annoyed, low-key. Paul isn't Pauling. I'm in a bad mood. I'm sorry. Try to guess my country. I'm thinking somewhere. In the Netherlands. In the Netherlands. ALR, what does that mean? Currently, guys, I'm making a lock-on symbol. No, that's not what I wanted. Photoshop. Uganda? Is he getting everyone with that Uganda stuff, man? I'm just gonna use something for now. I don't really care about. Maybe we use Comic Book Sans for comical relief. Didn't it see me click that? Thank you. We can always change it later to make it look better. That looks really bad. See, say your answer. Cursor? No, I'm making a locked on symbol for when you lock on to somebody. Just something really simple for the time being. Really simple for the time being. How about this? And just get rid of the middle. I also want it to be easily seen. But I also really don't care if it's like really good. Whatever. We'll make a better UI later on. I just need something that says locked on. Because I'm giving up on trying to get those inputs to work. It's just flabbergasting and mind-boggling because they worked yesterday fine. And today they don't work. And I'm just like, what did I do? And I'm looking in the GitHub repository, specifically at the main character, to see things that I've changed in, the script. And there's literally nothing besides this. Right? But I re-added it. Correct? I re-added it. Here, this is a green. Saved it, and still the same issue, even though this shouldn't... Well, actually, no, this isn't it.
Wake up, Link.
This is literally the same thing, except this space here. And I got rid of this. That's it. So, I don't know what it could be. I'm dancing and I'm chasing you, Chase Lee. He's like, dang it. It's the Chase Lee. So the premise is we're going to jump onto this guy. But a big part of me is still like, I need to fix the input. Why is the input messed up? I just don't know what to do. Me? No, I'm not. I'm in a bad mood. I don't know why this... It worked fine yesterday, and now I plug it in, I build to it, and it's... Nothing's working. At all. It's so annoying, dude. And I've changed absolutely nothing. So, I couldn't say what's wrong with it. Maybe it's just Unreal again. It's one of those, oh, it's Unreal type of deals. Because that's happened numerous times where you got to rebuild the project. And that didn't even work. I have restarted UE. I've restarted it several times. I even restarted my phone. I've rebuilt the project twice. So I don't know what it is. That's why I'm getting frustrated, because everything that I've tested up to this point has worked perfectly fine. You know, and then I give the example as to why this works and all that stuff, and then it doesn't freaking work. So I'm just not going to even talk about the code anymore, because apparently things are just glitching out in the system right now. But yeah, it works fine in here. Right? Tap, tap, works great. I hold down, works great. It's a sign from God to work on something that doesn't need your phone. So you're saying I have to switch the entire project around? That could be it, but trust me, dude, you don't want to chase Lee or you'll just be chasing Chase Lee for infinity, man. Yeah, let's plug my controller in and see if it works. Everything works completely fine. I just wanted to test it on, see if it's working on the phone, and it's not. Yeah, I do. I do have controller keybinds in. Freaking safe, man. That insane. P3W2.VV. Thank you for joining the chat, homie. Yeah, finally, after all this time, he almost got him. So you're thinking I just make it... I'm leaving. See ya. Have a nice stream. Thank you, Narhoys, for joining, man. You have a great day. I'm going to be getting off here soon, too. Alright, Chasely. Freaking Slithian making me angry, man. Albert! It's Ryan. What's up, Ryan? When's the demo out? Dude, Lee can never die, man. Lee said he was in a yeah. But now if I do press and I just, you know, it doesn't matter if I just jump. So now if I'm going to do like full controller support, I did the low profile. Yeah. We're going to have to figure out how we're going to get these to work. Maybe we do the tap time longer. No, don't kill him. Buenos is like my brother. We need to make the threshold like 98. Because I know hold and release is like 1 second. So, right. We get it. British people like tea and biscuits. We decided to move away from mobile, guys. That's what we decided. Because the controls never work. The controls never work. Actually, let's save. And try building it. Who knows? Maybe since I have the tab working differently now, it might work. I'm joking. I'm joking. The Lord is playing with my emotions today, though. It's worth it to figure out. True. They've been working, they just stopped working. That's the annoying part. Like, it was working fine. I plug it in today and it don't work. It's like, why? What changed? I look at what changed in the character script. Nothing has changed. I look at the input. Nothing has changed. We have tapped. Everything was working fine. Perfectly yesterday. It's like it's not updating the game. I'm over it, dude. I'm over it. I'm gonna lose my mind here shortly, guys. There's obviously something wrong, in my opinion, with the build. There could be no other explanation for it. Everything works completely fine on my end. Completely fine. Point at which this trigger fires.
Adobe Photoshop Lightroom makes it easy to edit the perfect photo, no matter where you are.
I don't get this. Like, point at which this fires. It points, like, if I hold it down, it'll release.
Try Lightroom.
Or is this how long it takes afterwards to release? Accumulate, take highest absolute value. Like, I could have been working on the attack system the entire day. And this is what I'm working on. I love it, man. I love it, man. I love it. I absolutely love it. I could be working on, like, attacking. No, I got to work on trying to figure out why this isn't working on the build, even though it worked literally yesterday. I didn't change any of the inputs until after it didn't work. And it still just doesn't work for some strange reason. The only thing I can think of is I tried a build on Steven's thing, and maybe there's a discrepancy between the two builds, and because of that, it's essentially loading in his input or something of that nature with mine. How that occurs, I have no idea. But what I do know is that it's not working. It's not working. So let's do this on... I'm actually going to change this instead of being on begin. Begin play this here. Instead of this being here, I'm going to have it be in here. I'm going to change it to that. Maybe there's something going on with how I'm building it, and having it happen at begin play is not helping the situation. Hey, Louise, what's up, man? If it makes you feel better, I've had to fiddle with UI for the past entire day, true? October 2023. Hey man, Ox, why not make shooting game? I mean, if you need. I want to make a shooting game later. I have an idea for a shooting game. But, whoa. Now my inputs aren't even working. what, what happened, dude? Now it's not even... Oh, it's because it's on pre-initialize, huh? That's exactly what it is. It's like, pre-initialize doesn't work. You got to do it in begin. Yeah, I do want to make a shooting game eventually. Works fine. You just learned from Roblox Studios, so it's hard to make a game. I mean, trying to make a game on any engine is going to be hard and difficult. It takes thousands of hours, so, you know, don't beat yourself up about it. This is absolutely ridiculous. My name's Unreal. I'm gonna work everywhere besides on your phone. Yeah, I want to build, right? I want to build to see if it works now. Because I'm like, hey, let's see, what changed? What did I change in here? Blueprint. Script blueprint. Maybe changing something in the blueprint might make it be like... Yeah, there is a lot that goes into it. Of course, it's easier when you have people who've been working in that specific subcategory of the development process for years. It goes by quicker because they just know all the ins and outs about it, right? But it's still there's a lot of iteration, changing. You're making a game, the game sounds good, everyone's like, yeah, let's do that. You put stuff together, it isn't fun, and you got to iterate and you got to make it fun. You got to make it funner to play. So yeah, that's the big part, is having something that's fun. After that, it's, you know, you just iterate or you just develop. You know, an idea is cheap. It's the execution that costs a lot, right? The execution is what costs a lot. I learn from YouTube and I try and learn from Unreal Engine, and I don't know who is best engine. I mean, it really depends on you, right? My best advice is to find an engine, and after that, then think about making a game. Or, you know, make a small game on each engine, figure out which one you really like. Then you have that experience from each engine. You pick an engine, right? And then you can make the big game you want to play. And by the way, guys, it isn't my... Yeah, and it's still not working. So, you know, at this point, I'm considering leaving the mobile market just because this is absolutely ridiculous. This worked perfectly fine last night, and then today it's broken. Why is it broken? Yeah, let me spend another 20 hours figuring out why it's broken for it to just be something stupid and tedious and dumb, like having to rebuild the project. These are the little things that I miss about Unity. That's the only complaint I have, is I never had to rebuild a Unity project. from my experience. I never had to clean and rebuild a Unity project game. I've never had this issue when it comes to inputs with Unity games. Just this. Just on here. Maybe it's not good for mobile. I don't know. Sorry if there's any Unreal developers here, but that's just my experience so far. I've double checked everything. This worked completely fine last night, and then I log on today and it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. And the only difference is that I built from a friend's branch, from another member's branch, and then I had to come on here today to build from this branch so I can work on testing my inputs and my code on my branch. And then all of a sudden it doesn't work, even though I made no changes. I only started making changes to the input after it wasn't working. No, Unreal's not fake. There's a lot of great things about Unreal, but this is definitely a big problem that I'm not happy with at the moment. I should be focused on developing and making a game. Right? That's what engines sell you on, is ease of access, ease of use. You can make a game. You know, the truth couldn't be further from that point. But I've never had this issue on Unity. I've never had this issue. So if anyone has any idea as to why this doesn't work, I would love to hear it, because there's no reason why these things shouldn't work the way they do. Get rid of that. We don't need it. You have experience with Unreal networking? No. Why is that? Is that even harder? Guys, let's play Guess the Country from the Flag. Yeah, I've had similar frustrations, but they've never been resolved or revolved around like the tedious things like input. They've never been around input. It's like super frustrating. Yeah, I will have even greater frustrations, but like I said, I have developed a game on Unity for the mobile device, for Android and Pacific, and we had no issues like this. Right? No issues. Right? Our issues was with the rigid bodies, making sure the rigid bodies were flexible and they worked fine.
Who's pumped for tax season? Let's get out there and crush those taxes. Who's with me?
We know some freelancers who are pumped for tax season. This year, hire a tax expert on Fiverr.
Done.
We're gonna build another.
Solutions are not the answer for you this year. You need real solutions, and therapy can help with that. As a therapist, I see the same pattern happen again and again at the same time.
So hopefully I'll have some great mind revolution. I don't know. I don't even know what word I'm thinking of right now. I work on a game called Run Like Hell. It's a shooting game and some blood. When she drops grenade, all the bodies going burned. Okay. A lot of boom boom explosions. I get it. That sounds like a killer time, right? Yeah, in my game, I don't really like to focus on the aspect of killing. I like to focus on other parts of the game. Okay, so launching the game is what does it. I'm 32 years old. I'm an old man compared to you guys. It's just the tap button. It's the jump button. So what is it that could be wrong with the jump action? Last time we did it, we had started. And I sent it to trigger, and that fixed it. Well, it's good you're starting so young, man. Keep it up. Definitely old compared to me, yeah. I'm an old man. Started. We started, and... By the way, guys, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Hey man, I'm sorry for not donating you. I am poor. Man, you don't have to worry about donating to me at all. The things I appreciate most is just being able to hang out and chat with you guys. And plus, I'm doing this. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing it because I like it. I have a passion for it. Right? That's why if it's for the mobile, it's going to be free. I'm not, I'll have like some in-game stuff that you can purchase, but the idea is not to be focused around money, Multicast delegate, begin overlap signature, info getter, broadcast. Now I'm randomly getting errors. You the best. No, man. You the best. You the best, bro. Thank you for being here. And being a part of the community, man. If you want to, you can click the Discord link. Hang out with people in Discord. Right? I'm going to get off here in the next 10 minutes, guys, because I got to start getting ready for appointment stuff. And I'm kind of in a bad mood just because of this. You the best. Yeah, you. You. Yeah, there's definitely an issue. It is not building it is not fully building my stuff out. That is interesting. It is not fully building out because there's some issues that I'm running into the game, in the game. Yeah, there's an issue with the builds that is currently going on. Yeah, there is currently an issue. Let's try this. No, it's still happening there too. Want to be my friend on Disc? I mean, we could talk to people, but I gotta, you know, send me a message. You're not even, you gotta join the Discord first, though, too, so. Is only 14 what? $14? Yeah, I'm flat broke. I can't buy anything. Yeah, what is that? Why is that still occurring? Alright, Chase Lee, get out of here, dude. Get out of here. Yeah, see? So it does happen there occasionally. So it isn't the game. Is this an FPS issue? Nope, not an FPS issue. Not an FPS issue at all. Just click the link in the description. Yeah, there we go. Maybe I set that to... Maybe this will fix it. What, sweetie?
Can you go get me a Lunchable now?
Yeah, I'll go get you one here in a second, okay? Before we go, all right? I'm going to get off here soon. I just want to test this, okay? Go play in your room, please. I love you. Go play in your room.
But can I come with you?
Sure. But you got to go get ready.
Oh, I just
We're going to test this, guys, and then I got to hop off for the day. But I feel like this is something I'll be working on all day.
Shopify, the commerce
I'm gonna try getting rid of the prowl
online, on social,
and see what happens. Maybe there's a confliction with
tools you
things.
need to sell the way you want.
I don't know.
Powered by Shopify.
Daddy, can we go now?
We're going to be getting off here soon, guys. I'm just trying to test if we're even receiving input or if this is even triggering like it's supposed to. I've deleted the prowl from the entirety of this. Let's tap. We reset tap back to its default values, right? Alright, I think it's compiled. But after this, I'm dipping out. Yeah, so it's not even... That's interesting. It's not even triggering. Jump action. It's not even triggering. Any of these are not triggering. All right, guys. I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna bounce, guys. Y'all have a good one. God bless. Jesus loves you. And I will catch you all later, alligator.